Hello, Dr. Anish Desai here. I'm the Director for Strategic Medical Affairs for Adroit Biomed and an experienced clinical research physician. Today I want to talk about the monsoon and the skin tips. In fact, with the onset of monsoon, it's a very beautiful season many times. However, the skin can have a lot of problems and you need to take care of it. The fluctuating levels of humidity, in fact, are responsible for changing a lot of things within the skin from it being dry to oily. And therefore, it leads to a lot of rashes, it leads to a lot of redness, itching, irritation. And these skin problems need to be taken care of. So what do you do for these? So firstly, what you need to do is that you need to understand that whatever the precautions you had been taking for your skin earlier need to be taken again, and similar precautions needs to be followed. So first, what you need to do is that you need to maintain hygiene. You need to wash your hands. You need to clean your face with a good soap. That is what is very essential, so that your pores are cleansed, and then the block or the clogged pores, which leads to some of the problems, can be solved. Use of sunscreens is essential. Sunscreens basically help you to protect from the ultraviolet light, and therefore you need to continue to use the sunscreens. Exfoliation is important, as there is a lot of dead skin that arises during the monsoon season, and therefore using exfoliating agents can help you to maintain a good skin and a glowing skin. Hydration of the skin is very important. Therefore, drinking adequate quantities of water will help you to hydrate your skin and keep it supple. In fact, using moisturizers is important. And these days, there are oral moisturizers or oral hydrating agents which are available. So you can take them and keep your skin and your body hydrated. Diet and food form an important form of all these areas. Therefore, avoiding spicy and oily food is important, because during monsoon, there is a tendency towards acne, and therefore avoiding oily and junk food can help you in that. Eating vegetables, green leafy vegetables and fruits helps you to give you the natural ingredients that are required in terms of the vitamins, the minerals that are there, in terms of some of the antioxidants that are required, obtaining your routine doses of vitamin C, D and the other kind of nutrients which are required. Therefore, it is important that you maintain a balanced diet during all these times. It is important that you maintain a kind of a hygiene, so that you do not wear wet clothes. You dry your body frequently, because what happens is during monsoon, the humidity and the moistness gets accumulated between the folds of your skin, between the fingers, and that can lead to several fungal infections, eczemas, dermatitis, and therefore you need to keep your body dry. It's very important that whenever you have certain wet socks or wet shoes, you need to change them and dry it. That is very important, so that you can avoid fungal infections because of that. If you are wearing a makeup, you need to use a makeup which is water resistant. If you have comorbid conditions like diabetes, you need to take care of these conditions. You need to have your other comorbid conditions controlled very well. Lastly, but most important, is that you need to consult your dermatologist for any skin problem that may have been aggravated during the monsoon time. Maintain your hygiene, remain hydrated, keep your skin dry are some of the important tips. Thank you.